Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rossy and today is day 19 of our cold porcelain advent calendar. Today we'll be making myrrh. I hope you like this project. Let's get started. Now to begin, we're going to start by measuring 1/4 of a teaspoon in black clay. Since we're going to be painting this in gold, I'm using black so the gold paint can stand out even more. So I'm just cutting that in half after forming a cylinder, then cutting it in half again. One of those halves is going to become the base at the bottom, and on the remaining half I'm just cutting it into 4 pieces, as you can see here. So now one of those 4 pieces is going to be also part of the base, then we're separating a piece for the handle, and the rest is just going to be the top. And I'm just separating those here, and we'll start working with the base, the bottom part of the base. So I just made that into a little ball, then into this sort of drop shape, then make it in flat to form a sort of cone. And making sure it's very short. And now I'm going to go in and add some texture, just like this, slightly separated, just making 5 lines. Now I'm going to need the other piece for the base. It's sort of going to be a bowl with a lid, so I'm just making that to a circle, then making it flat, and then going all around and making some lines across the edge. Just like that. And now, so we can start shaping it, I'm going to add a small piece of wire so the pieces can stack nicely on top of each other and be well and secured. Now we're done with that. We have the bottom part of the little myrrh container, the base. Now we're going to make the lid. So I'm just making a ball, then sort of a drop shape, then making it flat. And then we're going to slightly stretch this out using a ball tool, so the lid can wrap nicely all around the base. Just like this. Now on this one, we're just going to add some more lines, this time horizontally. Just like that. And then for the last one, I'm just making a ball. Then one more time, that sort of drop shape, very small. I'm making a hole at the top of our entire myrrh container, then adding a little bit of glue. With a toothpick, just so it's a little bit of glue and we don't get too much added here, and then just attach the smaller cone at the top. Now we have the container ready, and we're going to give it some color using our metallic gold acrylic paint. Just going over here, painting up to down, so our lines are visible here at the lid, and then on the bottom part we're going to paint it side to side or horizontally, so you can get all those details and make them stand out. Now we're going to paint all of it and let it dry. Once it's dry, it's going to look like this, and now we're just going to go over it with some powder toners. And then just to give it a bit more color. You can find these at any store that sells fondant tools and materials. And now it's going to look like this. And now we have our little myrrh container. I hope you liked today's project. My name is Rossy. Thank you for joining me. Many blessings.